Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to connect Power BI to AWS Redshift. Now all you need to do first is launch Power BI desktop. Come to the top panel, click on Get Data on this drop down, go ahead and select More, and you should get a pop-up. And from here we are going to search for Amazon Web Services Redshift. We can just type in Redshift, okay? And you'll see it right here, Amazon Redshift. Go ahead and click on it and then click on connect. Now we just need to go ahead and enter right here the server. Okay, so paste in your server and then enter the database. You can just type in dev, for example. The advanced options, these are all optional. You don't have to do these. Then go ahead and hit OK, and then it will be prompted to sign in. So you can sign in either using your Amazon Redshift account, username and password, and then hit connect, or you can sign in using your Microsoft account. Just hit sign in. It will open up on your browser. You log in there, and then you come back to Power BI, hit connect, and you're done. That is how you connect Power BI to AWS Redshift.